the best apps and coupons for massive grocery savings. Welcome, Thrivers. Are you tired of seeing your grocery bill drain your hard-earned cash? Every trip to the store feels more expensive these days, but what if I told you it doesn't have to be? In today's video, we're uncovering the best apps, tools, and hacks to massively slash your grocery budget. Whether you're a student, new professional, or navigating adulthood, saving money has never been easier or more rewarding. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll have a complete game plan to shop smarter while keeping your favorite foods on your plate. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tips like this video and drop your favorite cost-saving ideas in the comments below. Let's get started. Let's face it, groceries are a non-negotiable expense, but they don't have to break the bank. On average, young adults spend hundreds of dollars every month on food, but a little planning and the right tools can change everything. Think about this. Saving even $10 a week adds up to $520 a year. That's huge. With inflation driving up costs, it's about staying one step ahead. The good news is that anyone can do it. All it takes is the right strategies. Cutting costs doesn't mean you have to compromise your favorite snacks or dinner staples. It's about making smarter choices that leave you feeling empowered, not deprived. Today, I'll show you how to harness the power of apps, coupons, and a few bonus hacks to maximize those savings. Ready to save big? Let's dive straight into the tools that will change the way you shop forever. Before we get into apps and coupons, let's lay the groundwork with a few must-know tips for smarter grocery shopping. Always start with a plan. Make a list of exactly what you need before heading to the store. Impulse buying is your wallet's worst enemy. Not only does this save time, but it also helps you stay focused on what's essential. Prep your meals. Take stock of what's already in your fridge. Meal prepping means less wasted food and fewer unnecessary purchases. Plus, it saves stress during the week when your meals are already planned out. Shop sales wisely. Familiarize yourself with your store's weekly flyer or deals sections. Many stores rotate deals on essentials like produce, proteins, and pantry staples. Stack these with deals from apps and you'll be hitting double savings. With these 3 principles, you've already started winning the grocery savings game. Now let's take your strategy to the next level with some cutting-edge apps. When it comes to saving money, there's no need to guess. There are dozens of apps designed to do the heavy lifting for you. Let's break down the most powerful ones and how you can use them for massive savings. Ibotta. This is a game changer in cashback apps. You can shop in-store or online, earn rewards by simply scanning your receipt or link your loyalty card. Hundreds of grocery stores participate, and rewards can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. Imagine getting paid just for buying your groceries. Rakuten. While this app is popular for online shopping, many don't know it works wonders for grocery purchases too. Just shop your favorite stores through the app, and Rakuten gives you cash back. It's like earning money on what you're already buying. Coupons.com. This app bridges the old-school joy of clipping coupons with modern-day convenience. Whether you want printable or digital coupons, this app makes it easy to find discounts across grocery categories like snacks, cleaning supplies, and fresh produce. Target Circle. If you shop at Target, you need this app, period. It offers exclusive discounts, cashback offers, and loyalty rewards just for signing up. Target fans, you're going to thank me for this one. Walmart app. Walmart is popular for low prices, but their app takes it a step further. Use it to find price match deals, digital coupons, and even schedule pickup for more convenience. Kroger app. This app is a lifesaver if you've got Kroger stores in your area. From carefully curated weekly discounts to earning fuel points while you shop, this one adds value beyond just groceries. For each of these apps, the key is consistency. Don't just download them and forget about them. Make it a habit to check for deals before you shop. And here's a pro tip. Many of these apps allow you to stack offers, combining store-specific coupons with cashback deals from apps like Ibotta for maximum savings. Beyond savings apps, there are more tools out there that can uncover hidden deals and help you get the lowest prices possible on groceries. Honey Browser extension. If you occasionally buy groceries online, Honey is a must. It automatically finds and applies coupon codes at checkout. No more Googling for codes or wondering if you missed a deal. Flip. Want to see all your local flyers without flipping through paper ads? That's what Flip is for. It compares weekly ads from grocery stores in your area and highlights the best deals. Finding a discount near you has never been easier. Price matching. Many stores allow price matching, meaning if you find an item cheaper at a competing store, you can request a price adjustment. Apps like Flip or even a quick Google search will help you find competing prices. Stacking savings. Let's not forget one of the most underutilized but incredibly effective tools, stacking savings. Imagine combining a coupon, a cashback deal from your app, and a sign-up bonus. 3 layers of savings add up in a big way. All right, we've covered the apps and tools, but let's step outside the box for some bonus hacks that take food savings even further. Sign up for loyalty programs. Many grocery stores offer free membership programs that reward regular shoppers. Kroger's loyalty card, for example, not only unlocks coupons, but also earns you fuel points to save at the pump. Shop generics over brand names. Did you know store brand products are often manufactured by the same companies behind your favorite name brands? The only difference is the packaging and the price. Make the switch and save big. Time your shopping trips. Shopping in the evening often means scoring discounts on fresh items like bakery and deli goods that are marked down for a quick sale. Buy in bulk selectively. For staples like rice, pasta, or protein that you know your household will use, buying larger quantities during sales can lock in significant savings. Implementing even just 1 or 2 of these hacks could stretch your budget like never before. Combine them with the apps and tools we covered earlier, and you've got a recipe for success. Saving money on your groceries isn't about giving up what you love. It's about being intentional and using the right tools to make smarter, more informed choices. From best-in-class apps like Ibotta and Rakuten to clever tools like Flip and Honey, today's video has given you everything you need to shop savvier and keep your hard-earned dollars in your pocket. Remember, it's the small changes that create big results. Every discount, every coupon, every cashback offer adds up. Make saving a habit and watch those savings multiply. Before you go, we'd love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share your favorite money-saving tricks in the comments so we can all learn together. Who knows, you might even inspire someone else right here in our community. Thank you for watching, Thrivers. Now let's go out there and make those grocery trips smarter, not costlier. See you in the next video. Until then, happy saving.